welcome to Jones Family Farms. My name is Farmer Monica, and let me tell you, there's no better way than starting off the Christmas season than harvesting your very own Christmas tree. Before you visit us here at Jones Family Farms, my fellow farmers and I are here to give you some quick tips to help plan your visit.
We're excited that your family is planning on a trip to the Jones Family Farms to get your Christmas tree. It's a wonderful experience with lots of memories. If you're interested in harvesting your own tree, you should also note that you're going to be farming with us and that there's some work involved. And think about who is coming with you to help harvest the tree. Your family will be cutting down the tree. You'll be sliding the tree on a tarp that you bring from home to take it to the baling station. You'll be getting it onto your car. So with all these different activities, think about who in your group can help you with these tasks. If you feel you need more assistance, you might want to consider getting one of our lovely pre-cut trees from our barnyard village. There, our farm staff will individually help each family find the perfect tree. We have a wide selection of trees of all shapes and sizes, and we will make sure that we can get it to your car if you need that assistance too. We just want to make sure that every family has a wonderful experience. We'll see you at the farm.
Hi there, this is Greg. I'm here to talk about how rope and twine is useful to have when cutting your tree down during Christmas season. Rope and twine can aid you in dragging your tree with a tarp. We provide twine and tree baling services to wrap your tree tightly around your vehicle for your ride home when staff is available. However, providing your own bungee cords and other tie downs would make it easier. To learn how to tie your own tree down to your vehicle, please see our tree tying video. Hope to see you soon.
Hi everyone, Farmer Michael here to talk about saws. If you have your own handsaw, you should bring your own. We do have over 1,000 saws that we hand out here at the farm, but you'd be very surprised how quickly they can go, especially on our busiest weekend days. Please note that because of the safety of yourself and those around you, we cannot allow any power tools or chainsaws of any kind. All right, and we hope to see you soon on the farm.
Hi there folks, Farmer Monica here, and my tree tip for you today is to come with an idea of what you want your tree to look like. We grow several varieties of Christmas trees here at the farm, and they each have their own unique characteristics. Do you want something with a more fuller shape or that classic pyramid style Christmas tree? Also long needles or short needles? There's lots to choose from. It is helpful to have some ideas because our farm greeters are trained in all our varieties and can help point you in the right direction. If you don't know what you're looking for, our website also has more details about the varieties we grow and what they look like.
One of the things to consider when you're looking to obtain a tree is where it's going to be placed in your house. Most houses have a ceiling that's about 7.5 feet. I happen to be 6 foot tall, so if I raise my hand up, I'm touching the ceiling top. If you have a tape measure, you can measure it accurately, and in fact, this is 7.5 feet tall. You should also consider any door openings or passageways at your location to where you're going to be bringing the tree into the house. If you've ever been to the farm at Christmas season, walking along one of our pathways, you've probably seen a lot of trees that have a variety of heights and thought, that's not the tree for us, it seems a little bit small. The reality is, the trees in the field seem smaller than they actually are. I happen to be 6 foot tall, and as I stand next to this little tree, it's actually over my head. As we look down here to some of the trees that have been planted in a prior year, or maybe were harvested just this past Christmas, and you can see that we've spot marked here to be able to start planting here for another seedling. A tree such as this seems pretty small as I look at it from above the tree, but if I walk down the slope, it looks like it's gargantuan, it's very tall. You should actually stand next to the tree on the slope. And as I look at that, I'm 6 foot tall and I hold my hand up, that's easily over an 8 foot tall tree. If you come to the field with your tape measure, you can very readily confirm that. And as I look at the side of this tree on the slope, and I extend my tape up, I can tell you that that tree there is nearly 10.5 feet tall, which is certainly suitable for most homes. So remember to bring a tape measure if you have one, but if you want a rough estimate, when you've been back home and held your hand up, you have an idea of how tall the roof is in your house, and that's where you would find a suitable tree.
Here at the Jones Family Farms, another special, wonderful thing about our Christmas tree season is that families that are coming to get a Christmas tree are welcome to bring their dog as long as they follow these important recommendations and guidelines. We feel dogs are best suited for guests who are looking to harvest your own tree. We have over 100 acres of Christmas trees for your family to take a walk with your dog. If you're interested in getting one of our fresh pre-cut tree in our barnyard village, please note we don't have the area in that part of the farm for dogs to take a walk, and they cannot go into the barns and gift shop. If you're deciding to bring your dog, be prepared to clean up after your dog. And the most important guideline is to remember that dogs must be on a leash at all times. That will ensure the safety of the dog and of the wildlife here at the farm. Our farm family and our farm dog Sky here are looking forward to your visit. Take care.